Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. As much as we eat chicken a lot, pork is another meat that David and I like. It's not too expensive, plus it's also a lean meat. As we all know, pork and mustard go so well together, and here's a tasty recipe. My honey mustard pork loin chops. Incredibly flavorful, these juicy and tender chops marinated in that beautiful sauce is simply amazing. It's another delicious way to enjoy this protein. So let's get cooking. We'll go ahead and make the marinade. In a bowl, we'll add honey, and to get a great trick when dealing with sticky ingredients, click on the top right corner of your screen. And then mustard. I'm using two kinds. One is my German mustard, which is coming up next month, but in the interim, simply use stone ground mustard. And the other is Dijon. We'll also add orange juice, some canola oil or any other flavorless oil, pressed garlic, 3 large ones, herbe de Provence, which the link of my homemade blend is showing up on your screen, a little bit of onion powder, and the same with cayenne pepper, and of course some ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll whisk the ingredients until nicely incorporated. Next, we'll place our pork loin chops in a large resealable plastic bag and pour the marinade over. We'll close the bag and gently toss it around, making sure to coat the meat entirely. We'll let the chops marinate for 30 minutes at room temperature. Half an hour later, we'll start the barbecue and bring the heat between 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll remove the meat from the bag to a plate and pour the marinade in a small saucepan. We'll give a quick whisk and bring it to a simmer on medium heat while grilling the pork chops. So we'll place them on the grill, close the lid, and cook them for 4 to 5 minutes per side or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. When they're done, we'll transfer to a plate, cover with a piece of foil, then let them rest for 5 to 7 minutes before spooning the hot marinade on top and serving them immediately. And my friends, these are our honey mustard pork loin chops. This recipe is easy to make and so tasty. Simple and delicious, the sauce is what makes these grilled chops extra flavorful. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!